Hanesh, you enjoying life? Life.
We didn't get this. That used to be put in the back with lasso.
Yeah.
You go through the back. When your mom wants you to sleep,
Yeah.
it used to be put at the back of the, in the back with lasso. And I can only imagine somehow it's maybe uncomfortable because you see the legs have to like sit on your sides.
You're a baby, so you don't know nothing.
No, you don't know anything, but I'm just saying like this is much, of course, more comfortable.
Hey, hearing the bird chirps? The bird chirpy. Chirpy boy. Yes, the bird chirp. Let's go in the grass. Come. Hanesh in nature. Hanesh in God. Hanesh. Hanesh. You come out in nature. He's a nature boy.